What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGM Classic Cars LLC, Addison, Illinois, and today I'm bringing you a new video on our new arrival 1970 Oldsmobile 442 Cutlass 442, whatever you want to call it. What a cool car. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this car, and I really like this one. You'll see why. As you can see, I do have the car running. Now, this is a 455 in here. You know, standard of a 442, pretty much. And this car is a true survivor. It was sitting in a garage covered for 45 years, and then we had it mechanically restored. So it is able to be driven now, but a lot of the stuff on this car is original. It is mostly an original car. It does have a numbers matching 455. Now, a fun fact, if you guys didn't know, 442 stood for 4-speed, 4-barrel, dual exhaust. Now, in the later years, this one's got an automatic, which was the Turbo 400, but, you know, which was a 3-speed, but they still gave it the 442 nameplate. Now, this car is optioned exactly how you would order one, or at least how I would, other than obviously everybody would want a W30, but if you didn't order the W30, you got bucket seats, you got the his and hers Hurst shifter, the dual gate, very, very cool. Air conditioning. We do have a inspection sheet on this car, so you could check out what works, what doesn't. We have that with all of our vehicles, so check that out on the website. As you can see, this car is in really nice shape. The interior is pretty much immaculate. There's only one little tear here in the seat. Other than that, interior immaculate. Let's give it a rev. Sounds good, great, healthy. 19,000 miles on the odometer. Door buzzer still works. Your interior, like I said, great shape. Doors open and close beautifully. Vinyl top is in immaculate condition. No bubbling, nothing like that. Your lights all work and look great. Let's turn them off so we don't die out this battery. I'm going to go ahead and open the trunk and show you guys the trunk here. As you can see, all the chrome on this car is in great shape, and obviously it is original bumpers, which tells me the car has never been in an accident. You get your spare tire, original quarter panels. This car is a true survivor that's in great shape. You have your original floor mats here. You have your spare tire. The floor underneath, really clean. Just a little surface, that's it. But very clean. As you can see, the body is really straight. Everything's in great shape on this car. I mean, you know, it was well preserved. It's got the correct tires on it, the white wall tires. As you can see, the engine bay is really clean. You see, it's got its natural patina, but it is really clean. It is the way it should be. Underneath, I have photos of this car. It is just as clean as the top of it. It is immaculate. You could drive this car and you won't have to worry about a thing. Just a great car. If you're a 442 guy, you know what you're looking at. I'm going to go ahead and close the hood and show you guys what it looks like with the hood closed. The perfect color combination. You got your blue with your white stripes, black vinyl top, blue interior. Like I said, just a beautiful car. If you're looking for a 7442 that you can get in and drive, it's a very nice car. And look, you even have your sticker here. The car is originally a car from Oak Forest, Illinois, you can see, or at one time. So this car was really well preserved. Like I said, it's a special car. Simply because you don't see them in this shape anymore. Like I said, the door buzzer even still works. So if you're interested, give us a call, please. 847-848-1850. Like I said, you know what you're looking at if you know these cars. Just a beautiful car, an outstanding example of one of these cars. We have an inspection on it on the website. We have underneath photos. Anything you need, give us a call. We'll answer your questions. 847-848-1850. Or visit the website, mgmclassiccars.com. We have special financing with great monthly payments. And we have shipping all over the United States, enclosed, bonded, and insured. Send your zip code to that phone number. Again, 847-848-1850. You'll get a shipping quote directly to you, and we can ship this car directly to your door. You won't have to worry about a thing. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. This is our beautiful, beautiful, beautiful warehouse in Addison, Illinois. We have 200 cars that we own. We own them. We don't do a lot of that consignment stuff. We own these cars, so we don't play around. Stop on by, give us a call, take something home. You will not regret it. My name is Mr. Jenkins. It's been a pleasure showing you this gorgeous car, man. I love these Oldsmobiles, and these are definitely some of my favorite cars. And if whoever gets this car is going to be a very, very lucky person, because, man, they're going to get something on their hands that you're not going to come across another one like this. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you soon. Remember, folks, this car sure looks good here, but it will look a whole lot better in your garage. Mr. Jenkins out. Have a great day. Bye-bye.